We'll talk about historical evolution of total quality management. The historical evolution of total quality management has taken place in 4 stages. They can be categorized as follows: the quality inspection stage, the quality control stage, the quality assurance stage, and the total quality management stage. Quality has been evident in human activities for as long as we can remember. However, the first stage of this development can be seen in the 1910s, when the Ford Motor Company's popular car model, the T model, rolled off the production line. The company started to employ teams of inspectors to compare or test the product with the project standard. This was applied at all stages, covering the production process and delivery, etc. The purpose of the inspection was that the poor quality product found by the inspectors would not go to the market. It would be either scrapped or reworked or sold as a lower quality model. This was the first stage of quality movement, called quality inspection stage. This essentially required salvage, sorting, corrective action, and identifying the sources of non-conformance. Next, with formal industrial advancement came the second stage of TQM development, when the quality was controlled through supervised skills, written specifications, measurement, and standardization. During this Second World War, the manufacturing system became complex and the quality began to be verified by inspections rather than by the workers themselves. Statistical quality control inspection was then developed. The development of control charts and acceptance sampling methods by Shewhart and Dodge and Roming during the period 1924 and 1931 helped this era to prosper further from the previous inspection era. At this stage, Shewhart introduced the idea that quality control can help to distinguish and separate two types of process variation. Firstly, the variation resulting from the random causes, and secondly, the variation resulting from assignable or special causes. He also suggested that a process can be made to function predictably by separating the variation due to special causes. Further, he designed a control chart for monitoring such process variation in order to decide when to interact with the process. This was the quality control stage. The period was 1924 onwards. This required quality manual, performance data, self-inspection, product testing, quality planning, and use of statistics, and also paperwork control. The main processes which help the products and service to meet customers' needs are inspection and quality control, which require greater process control and lower evidence of non-conformance. The third stage of this development, that is quality assurance, contains all the previous stages in order to provide a sufficient confidence that a product or service will satisfy customers' needs. Other activities such as comprehensive quality manuals, use of cost of quality, development of process control, and auditing of quality systems are also developed in order to progress from quality control to quality assurance era of total quality management. At this stage, there was also an emphasis of change from detection activities towards prevention of bad quality. This was called quality assurance stage, started somewhere around 1950. This provided third-party approvals, systems audits, quality planning, quality manuals, quality cost, process controls, and failure mode and effect analysis, along with non-production operation. The fourth level, that is total quality management, started during 1980s, which involved the understanding and implementation of quality management principles and concepts in every aspect of business activities. Total quality management must be applied at every level, every stage, and every department of the organization. The process of quality management would also be beyond the inner organization in order to develop close collaborations with suppliers. This TQM stage provided focused vision, continuous improvements, internal customer performance, major prevention, company-wide application, interdepartmental barriers, management to provide leadership. The development of total quality management movement from 1950 onward can be credited to the works of various American experts. Among them are Dr. Edward Deming, Dr. Joseph Juran, and Philip Crosby. They have contributed significantly towards the continuous development of this subject. It all started with Walter Schubert in 1920s. Deming was his student. According to Deming, the organization problems lie within the management processes, and statistical methods can be used to trace the sources of the problems. In order to help the managers to improve the quality of their organization, Deming offered them 14 management points, which are: constancy of purpose, that is, create constancy of purpose for continual improvement of product and service. Number 2, new philosophy. He said, adopt a new philosophy. We are in new economic age that was created in Japan during those years. Number 3, cease dependence on inspection. Rather, eliminate the need for mass inspection in a way to achieve quality. Number 4, he said, end lowest tender contracts. That is, end the practice of awarding business solely on the basis of price tag. Number 5, improve every process. Improve constantly and forever every process for planning, production, and service. Then he said, number 6, institute training on the job. That is, institute modern methods of training on the job for all employees. Number 7, institute leadership. He said, adopt and institute leadership aimed at helping people and machines to do a better job. Then most importantly, he said, drive out fear. He said, encourage effective two-way communication and other means to drive out fear throughout the organization. The number 9 principle he propagated was break down barriers. He said, break down barriers between departments and staff areas. Then he said the 10th point is eliminate exhortations, eliminate the use of slogans, posters and exhortations. 11th principle which he advocated was eliminate targets, eliminate work standards that prescribe numerical quotas for the workforce and numerical goals for the people in management. The 12th point which he advocated was permit pride of workmanship, remove the barriers that rob hourly workers and people, that is casual worker, in management of the right to pride of workmanship. 13th principle he advocated was encourage education. He said institute a vigorous program of education and encourage self-improvement for everyone. And lastly, but most importantly, he said top management commitment should be defined. Clearly define the top management's permanent commitment to ever improving quality and productivity. These 14 points which Deming advocated are of prime importance and carry meaning even today. At the same time, Dr. Joseph Juran during 1980s stressed through his teaching the customer's point of view of product's fitness for use of or purpose. According to him, a product could easily meet all these specifications and still may not be fit for use or purpose. Juran advocated 10 steps for quality improvement, which are: number 1, build awareness of the need and opportunity for improvement. Number 2, set goals for improvement. Number 3, organize to reach the goals, that is, establish a quality council and identify problems, select projects, designate facilitators. Number 4, provide training. Number 5, carry out projects to solve problems. Number 6, report progress. Number 7, give recognition. Number 8, communicate results. Number 9, keep score. Number 10, maintain momentum by making annual improvement part of our regular systems and processes of the company. Both Deming and Juran were in favor of using a statistical process control for the understanding of total quality management. However, Crosby, on the other hand, was not keen to accept quality which is related to statistical methods. According to Crosby, quality is conformance to requirement and can only be measured by the cost of non-conformance. Crosby provided 4 absolutes and 14 steps for quality improvement process. His 4 absolutes are: number 1, definition of quality, that is conformance to requirements. Number 2, quality system, which ensures prevention. Number 3, quality standards, which ensures zero defect. And number 4, measurement of quality, which can be done only through price of non-conformance. His 14 steps for quality improvement can be described as: number 1, management commitment, that is to make it clear where management stands on quality. Number 2, quality improvement team to run the quality improvement processes. Number 3, measurement to provide a display of current and potential non-conformance problems in a manner that permits objective. Number 4, cost of quality to define the ingredients of the cost of quality, that is COQ, and explain its use as a management tool. Number 5, quality awareness to provide a method of raising the personal concern felt by all employees towards the conformance of the product or service and the quality reputation of the company. Number 6, corrective action to provide a systematic method for resolving forever the problem that is identified through the previous action steps. Number 7, zero defects to examine the various activities that must be conducted in preparation for formally launching Zero Defects Day. Number 8, employees education to define the types of training all employees need in order actively to carry out their role in the quality improvement process. Number 9, planning and Zero Defects Day to create an event that will let all employees realize through a personal experience that there has been a change. Number 10, goal setting to turn pledges and commitments into action by encouraging individuals to establish improvement goals for themselves and their groups. Number 11, error cause removal. To give the individual employee a method of communicating to management the situation that makes it difficult for the employee to meet the pledge to improve. Number 12, recognition, that is to appreciate those who participate in the quality movement. Number 13, quality council, to bring together the appropriate people to share quality management information on a regular basis. And lastly, the 14th point, that is do it all over again, to emphasize that quality improvement process is continuous.